Scorpio, I am ending the reading today with you. This is your channel messages for the 15th of November. Scorpio, the girl in here, Scorpio. So if you hear her cussing, it is not me, all right? I cannot stop her, all right? Great. Okay, Scorpio, let's go ahead and go into your channel song. Let's see what she wants to say. Let's go. For all those times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrongs that you made right, for every dream you make come through. I'll be forever thankful, baby. You're the one who held me up, never let me fall. And you're the one who saw me through it all. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't speak. You saw the best there was in me and lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith as you believe. I'm everything I am because you love me. That is it, Scorpio. I am everything I am because you loved more. So let us close the reading today with you, and that is all we have to say after that. So let's go. You gave me wings, you made me fly. We have the Knight of Wands coming out first. So I'm getting, there's a Sagittarius, Leo, or Aries coming back to you, okay? Somebody might take 3 days to come. Because we're getting somebody don't have their own vehicle, but they're on their way to you. Yeah, the 4 of, no, we're getting somebody's coming to you solely ask you yes or no. I'm seeing a no here. I'm not exactly sure what you're saying no for, okay? We have the 5 of Swords. We're getting a Leo going to try one more time for trick you, one more time for lie to you, one more time for scheme you. But me getting you keep rejecting them, you keep saying no. You're the Ace of Cups. Me getting you over them. Somebody can't believe that. You're over them. They thought the scheming and the plotting and the hating would have made you so sour that you just hate women now. You hate men now. Sweetie, you're not that. You're not NLE chopper. Stop it, okay? Me getting you said no. Me getting you because you love yourself. Maybe because a Scorpio loved you. That's how you find the strength to tell Leo no. He said no to Leo. He said, I don't want it. That's all. Yeah, the King of Swords. Yeah, I'm getting something about a Libra, Aquarius. It's going to be a Scorpio, Libra. I'm getting this person. This is the person who... Yeah, I'm getting the person that will stand up for you. Because I'm getting something about a Leo. I'm getting somebody don't want you. Them just want to know if them can use you, or them just want to know them can say, ha, see, you still the same insecure little girl that I picked up years ago and threw away. You did not change, obviously. You're still head over heels every time you see me. You're so powerful in your new makeup of being a new woman, but every time you see your ex, you shiver, you don't know what to do. Where is that confidence? Me getting your confidence, I'll come back. One ear and I'll give it to you. Him I gonna love you. Because I'm getting the Leo think if nobody no love you, you always gonna go back to them. 8.1 billion people in the world, they thought you wouldn't love them. We have the, yeah, I'm getting a somebody younger. Somebody younger, but me getting them younger. Leo, you older. Leo, you older, but you're spiteful. Them younger, but them very intelligent. Me getting all you want is somebody to chase you, but the younger person, yeah, him is willing to do the chasing. So I'm getting that is a difference that differentiated the love of your life from somebody you just with because you're lonely. What was the reason of you falling in love with them? If you say, Leo, why do you love this woman? Oh, she have a nice ass. Oh, she does this. Oh, she does that. What do you say? If you ask me, why are you in love with the Scorpio? Why are you in love with the Sagittarius? Why are you in love with these people? Why are you in love? It's because that, you know, I will not say that it is the most special person I've ever met in my life, because that would be a lie. I probably should get out much. But I will say is that they have exceptional skills of managing their emotions and the emotions of people around them. And I understand with those skills that they will eventually lead over into relationship purposes when it comes down to conflict management, disagreements in relationships. So those are things that can be used to not only help get over hurdles, but to use as a stepping stone to grow as a couple. That's why I'm attracted to him, because of how he processed what love was and how to show it. That's why I love him. And we have the Page of Pentacles, and I'm getting somebody loved you when nobody knew who your name was. When nobody knew who your name was, when they never knew who you was, them would love you. I'm getting somebody else loved you because they wanted the world to know who their name was. I'm getting somebody love you when nobody know who you was. When you just start dating, when nobody not believing in you, that's when somebody loved you. So you'd be a fool to go back to somebody who has already proven themselves unworthy of your love. We have cheating. We have take a break. We have the Sun card. We have one way, and we have evil. Yeah, somebody don't love you. They just love what them can do to you. Okay, now the girl gone, me can sing my song good, because I couldn't sing it loud just a while ago, because she just tell me, shut the fuck up. She's going to be, you just act like you're the you just don't even understand. Like, shut the fuck up. Nobody cares about you. You just want everybody to listen to you. I swear that's what the fuck you was going to hear. So now she out the room, me can't sing again. Me can't argue with somebody who have. For all the truth that you made me seek, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrongs that you made right, for every dream you make come true, for all the love I found in you, I've been forever, baby. You're the one. I show a titty for you. You're the one who brought me through it all. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the pain there was in me. You lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith as you believe. I'm everything I am because you love me. So I'm getting the person you're with, they don't love you. They're evil. Believe me, when someone loves you, you know what love is. Even if you have been abused your whole life. Even if you have been abused by your parents, your mother, your father, your friend, your teachers, your co-workers. Even if you never knew what love was, believe me, you don't have to know love to know what it's supposed to feel like. So I'm getting, this is why everything is going to end like a fairy tale, because you love them.